Find the average value of the function f of x equals cos x on the interval 0 pi. We are going to use the average value integral thingy-ma-thing. That's 1 over b minus a, where you would be my a and you would be my b. And then we're going to multiply that to the integral from a to b of f of x dx. So now let's plug stuff in. 1 over pi minus 0 times the integral from 0 to pi of f of x, which was cos x dx. So I think I can handle what pi minus 0 is. The integral of cosine is sine, easy peasy. And then my limits are going to be 0 and pi. So let's set it up. We have 1/2 times sine of pi minus 1. Did I say 1/2? 1 pith? 1 pith of sine 0. So this is going to be easy. 1 over pi times sine pi is going to be 1 over pi times 0. And 1 over pi times sine 0 is going to be 0. So that's going to be 0 minus 0. Let me get my calculator. 0. The answer is 0, which should make sense because, you know, if you were to graph cosine, okay, from 0 to pi, you're going to get nothing for the average value because you're going to go from 1 to negative 1. And the average value of 1 to negative 1 is 1 plus negative 1 divided by 2, which is nothing. So it all makes sense in the end. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.